Hello guys, so today I show you how to set your Photoshop into English version, and it's a very useful tool because you can see that most actions, Photoshop actions, are working just in English. So you see my Photoshop is in German right now, so we will change that. First of all, you go into your file folder from Adobe. Then you're looking for your Adobe Photoshop version you're working with. Then you see there is locals, and this is my language, German, currently. So, and the only thing you have to do is very quick and dirty. You just write here BAK. Yes, I want to change. And now we open Photoshop, and you can also already see it changed to English. And now also your actions should work. And yeah, so you're set up. Have fun.